Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the power unit to your local voltage and confirming the speed dial range. This prevents motor stress and overheating. Once done, fit the handpiece into the tower, tighten the collet securely, then insert the chosen bit and back out 1 to 2 millimeters so the bit can seat without binding. Make sure you wear eye protection and a dust mask. A stable surface prevents the unit from falling and ensures consistent pressure, while you learn the feel of the tool. You now select the correct bit for the task because bit shape and grit determine material removal and finish quality. Once chosen, clip a scrap tip or practice surface into place and power on at the lowest setting. This reveals wobble, vibration, or excessive noise before you touch a client. If the unit has torque or clutch controls, engage them. Then increase speed slowly in 10 to 20% steps while checking heat and control, so you learn the right pressure and hand speed for each operation. You finish setup by confirming rotation direction, tidy cord routing to avoid snags, and test the foot pedal response so control is predictable under real use. Then run the drill for 30 seconds at mid-speed while you watch for overheating, odd sounds, or instability. This final check prevents damage mid-service. If vibration, excessive heat, or sparks appear, stop immediately, reseat the bit and collet, clean debris, and inspect the shaft for bends. Replacing a damaged bit or handpiece solves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.